Imagine mopping your entire house, and it's dry in 30 seconds. No streaks. No chemicals. Just pure steam. Sounds perfect, right? But here's the problem, most steam mops you see on Amazon? They're overpriced, underpowered, or break in 3 months. I've secretly tested 17 of the top-rated models in 2026, and only 5 passed my brutal floor cleaning gauntlet. Let's start. Number 1. Bissell PowerFresh. The Bissell PowerFresh is a formidable contender in a competitive class of steam mops. Its user-friendly design and fast heating make it a handy go-to for quick cleanup. The mop's powerful and consistent steam output, smooth gliding motion, and nimble head make cleaning hard-to-reach areas a breeze. One tester said, "I appreciate that the washable elastic mop head covers are easy to remove and replace." Additionally, the PowerFresh boasts a handy fold-down scrub brush at the back of the mop head to tackle stubborn stains easily. The PowerFresh proved to be an excellent steam mop during testing, but it falls short in the attachment department. It is designed for floor cleaning and lacks attachments and features beyond its 2 washable pads, a built-in scrub brush, and a carpet glide plate. For a top-quality clean plus a handy collection of accessories to reach tight spots, the well-equipped Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet delivers as promised, but it costs quite a bit more. While the PowerFresh mop head features an articulating neck that allows it to reach the tightest of spots, the head design made it a little more challenging to clean along baseboards than other models we've tested. Still, if you're shopping for a steam mop that excels at cleaning up daily spills and dirt, the PowerFresh's excellent performance and competitive price make it a great choice. The Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop provides superior steam cleaning with a fresh scent. For those tough, dried-on messes we all experience on our floors and on grout, use the flip-down easy scrubber brush to break up the dirt quickly and easily. Cleaning with steam sanitizes floors, eliminating 99.9% of germs and bacteria in common households. When used as directed, using the microfiber pads. When used as directed, using the microfiber pads. Buying this product saves pets. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. When you buy a Bissell product, you help save pets, too. We're proud to design products that help make pet messes, odors and pet homelessness disappear. Number 2. Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet. If you're the type of cleaner who starts wiping the floors and gets distracted by the grime in the shower grout, the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet is the steam mop for you. This powerful steamer is painless to maneuver on just about any surface, easily reaching into corners and narrow spots. The removable water tank lets you attach many included accessories to clean far more than just your floors. A foot-activated scrub brush on the back also lets you spot clean without breaking stride. Our tests prove this quick-fix step brush isn't a long-term solution for larger areas that require scrubbing. The lift-off features a host of possible attachments for whatever you're hoping to steam clean, though swapping between them can be cumbersome since the tank must be removed first. When your sole focus is achieving a super clean floor, the Bissell PowerFresh will get the job done with a far simpler design and lower price. Once the unit is set up, though, every one of its clever attachments does a great job getting things clean. If you're after the steam mop for more than just your floors, the lift-off is the one for you. The Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet provides pet parents a safer and easier way to clean up after their pets using the natural power of steam. This 2-in-1 steam mop features a removable lift-off pod for above-floor cleaning and includes 13 versatile accessories to help with your everyday cleaning as well as cleaning up after your pets. Cleaning with steam provides a chemical-free clean, so pet parents don't have to worry about putting toxic chemicals down on their floors. Asterisk when used as directed, using the microfiber pads. Buying this product saves pets. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. When you buy a Bissell product, you help save pets, too. We're proud to design products that help make pet messes, odors and pet homelessness disappear. Number 3. Dupray Neat Steam. The Dupray Neat Steam has one of the largest water tanks in the class, and that's just the beginning of what makes it an excellent choice for deep cleaning. Unlike most steam mop designs, this model puts the water tank on wheels like a canister vacuum, allowing you to trail it around while scrubbing. Our lead tester commented, "I really like the design. It makes it easier to move around, and swapping the head attachments is a breeze since the head is that much lighter." The array of swappable accessories also allows you to customize your stain removal tactics throughout various surfaces in the home. Even though the large water tank on the Dupray is a boon for big jobs, the larger water storage takes longer to heat than most models in our lineup. For instance, most mops are ready to steam in under a minute, while the Dupray requires 8 minutes to heat up. Although we have experienced longer heating times, this unit is less likely to be used for a quick spot clean. Further hindering its ease of use is a mop head limited to lateral movements. This design oversight makes it more challenging to clean under furniture and cabinets. Lastly, the unit's mop head pads soil quickly, requiring frequent swap-outs. Design issues aside, we are fans of the useful scrubbing attachments and large water tank for big, tough messes. If you like the high-power clean of this canister style but expect a broader range of attachments for the price, the McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe may be up your alley. Number 4. McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe. The McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Steam Mop is a versatile tool that excels at removing tough messes and stains over large areas. The unit's pressurized steam allows it to blast through problem areas, and it does particularly well on synthetic flooring as well as smooth concrete. The mop's vast array of brushes and attachments include a squeegee and nozzle, to name just a few. The rolling canister relieves the user of carrying the water, and the long hose makes extended reaches possible. Keep in mind, the McCulloch is a canister steam mop, which is usually less convenient than an upright mop. The large volume of water heats up slowly, taking around 12 minutes with a full tank. You can wheel the canister around, but the bulk of the unit makes maneuvering in tight areas challenging. If you're looking for a more maneuverable high-pressure canister design, check out the Dupray Neat Steam. The McCulloch's large mop head has rounded edges, which make tight corners harder to hit. Still, despite this bulky mop's challenges, it can't be beat when it comes to cleaning large areas or targeting trouble areas. Chemical-free cleaning, naturally deep clean without the use of harsh chemicals using hot, pressured steam to eliminate grease, grime, and stains from a wide range of surfaces including tile, grout, granite, laminate, appliances, grills, autos, and more. Greater reach, extra-long 18-foot power cord and 7-foot steam hose provide added maneuverability and reach for those hard-to-get-to places. Number 5. PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop. Not only does the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop clean and scour surfaces, but it also has 9 attachments that can be used with the detachable handheld steamer for careful cleaning, making it an easy top pick. We've actually tested it multiple times over the past 2 years, and it frequently comes out on top, performing especially well on tile and grout. Plus, thanks to the attachments, you can use this lightweight pick for cleaning windows and glass, and on fabric like upholstery, curtains, and even the clothes in your closet. At 4.4 pounds, it's actually the lightest steam mop on our list, making it easy enough to carry from room to room or up and down stairs. The large mop head easily turns, a benefit since larger spaces can be cleaned more quickly. The pump inside the water tank makes a sound and vibrates when the tank is out of water, too, which continues to strike us as a helpful feature. And, to top it all off, it heats up quickly, at just under 30 seconds. During one of our tests, this mop was challenged by hard candy stuck on glass, so there are some limitations to its powerful cleaning. However, the mop pads are easy to switch, pop into the washing machine, and then put back onto the mop. They also hold up well, so you don't have to restock them right away. The cord length, 15.9 feet, is shorter than that of other models on this list, and could be a nuisance when you're trying to clean several areas at a time, but otherwise, this continues to be our top recommendation for a steam mop. And there you have it, the 5 best steam mops of 2026 that actually deliver. All product links, including my top pick, are waiting for you in the description below. If this video saved you from buying a useless mop, smash that like button, it really helps. Share this with someone who's been complaining about dirty floors. And subscribe so you never miss our next home cleaning showdown. Now go steam your floors with confidence. I'll see you in the next one.